and we are delighted that the festival has grown so exponentially over the last several years. And the measure of success is not just by the numbers that have been increasing steadily every year. Like we started off with maybe the odd 1,000 or 2,000, and over the last 3 years, it's been in attendance crossing 10,000 over the 3 days.
It's a wonderful way of celebrating achievements in the world of literature and devoted exclusively to literature and books.
They brought back that pride of language.
It's truly an honor and a privilege in a way to be at the Hindu Lit for Life Festival. As a journalist, I've always had great admiration for the Hindu school of journalism.
I think this is one of the most significant literature festivals in this country.
I am the real messenger of God.
It's a great pleasure to be a part of the Hindu Lit Fest.
I also enjoy it all.
The North does not have the oceans.
Thank you all for being here. It so happened that at that stage I had been working for many years on environmental subjects.
I think it's a great pleasure and honor being on this platform with Mr. Ram and such a wonderful literary festival.
When my book came out and there was a lot of controversy and I was being attacked by many people, The Hindu was in fact the only newspaper or the first newspaper to editorially defend me. And I am much obliged to the Hindu editors and their editorial leadership for a very fine editorial they wrote in my defense and my right to write that book.
It's been a marvelous opportunity to come and visit the Lit for Life Festival. I think it's a festival that's grown from strength to strength.
What I really like about the festival is that it's a literary festival. It's centered on books. People who come here to do sessions have books.
What did I like about it? I just found it very invigorating because I came in for some earlier sessions and hearing other speakers talk, articulate, it excites the mind.
Be here. I've only been here for about an hour, but I'm really looking forward to my 2 panel events, and I've been watching some of the other panels via the live stream, which is a great addition, and I think they've all been fantastic, so I'm really happy to be here.
It's been a pleasure participating in the Hindu Lit for Life Festival.
This is where I picked up language.
அது வந்திருந்த பார்வையாளர்கள் எல்லாமே என்னுடைய எழுத்துக்களை குறைஞ்சபட்சம் அதை பற்றி தெரிந்தவர்களாகவும் வாசித்தவர்களாகவும் இருந்தாங்க அப்படிங்கிறது எனக்கு உண்மையில ஒரு பெரிய உத்வேகத்தை கொடுத்ததாக இருந்தது.
It is special particularly to me because I have actually worked for the Hindu group, and I think that working as a journalist for Frontline was one of the best things that happened to me, both as a person, as a journalist and as a writer.
I think one of the wonderful things about being at a festival like this is the opportunity to meet other authors, many of whom are old friends, but also authors that I've only met through the pages of their books, and it's a wonderful opportunity to connect with them.
The Hindu Lit for Life
Literature Festival in South India.
I just love the audience.
And I've enjoyed the experience.
It's organized so meticulously.
To Meera, Rajasthan seemed a bit like this.
When you buy a home, make sure it's always from the best builder. With 16 years of real estate expertise, over 100 superior projects, 17,000 happy customers, and 20 million square feet of living space. There's truly no better home than a Casa Grande home.
Hey! Hey, guys! Get the bag! Hurry up!
Come, please sit.
Come, have a seat.
Look! To Arya, Rajasthan seemed a bit like this.
Wow, we'll all fit? All of us?
Festivals bring a lot of happiness and precious moments that make us smile.
Avail exciting offers on personal loans, car loans and gold loans with zero processing fee and low interest rate. Apply now on sbiyono.sbi or log on to bank.sbi and welcome happiness this festive season.
SBI, हर त्योहार शुभ शुरुआत.
To Huan, Rajasthan seemed something like this.
Guys, कल मेरी नई बाइक आ रही है.
Great. तब तो I will come with Rohan every day.
इंश्योरेंस है. तुझे क्या लगता है? इंश्योरेंस, PUC सब कुछ है. I was talking about life insurance for Sia.
Jokes apart, guys, but आज मजा कल सजा नहीं होनी चाहिए.
Yeah.
Seriously, life insurance तो जरूरी है.
LIC का न्यू जीवन आनंद देता है डबल फायदा. मैच्योरिटी पे मिले फुल पेमेंट और लाइफ कवर चले जिंदगी भर.
ए हेलो, इंश्योरेंस है क्या?
Hindustan Institute of Technology and Science. Take your first step toward a future in excellence.
When you buy a home, make sure it's always from the best builder. With 16 years of real estate expertise, over 100 superior projects, 17,000 happy customers, and 20 million square feet of living space. There's truly no better home than a Casa Grande home.
हेलो अतुल.
हाय माँ, यहाँ रात हो रही है माँ.
सॉरी बेटा, बहुत याद आ रही थी. ओके बाय 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 बाय.
माय पेरेंट्स. मेरे लिए ना कॉलेज चुना ना सब्जेक्ट्स, बट उनका प्लान था बहुत ही स्पेशल, जिससे बन गया मेरा फ्यूचर.
LIC का न्यू चिल्ड्रंस मनी बैक प्लान जो आपके बच्चों का फ्यूचर करे प्रोटेक्ट हर जरूरी मोड़ पर.
इट्स अ फ्यूचर बिल्डिंग प्लान